Good morning, students. Ricardo. Good morning, students. How do you do, all of you? After a long time, we are meeting through this online class. And how is your health and other things? Stay back at home and concentrate on your studies only. And my hearty congratulations for your promotion to the second year MA English. In this class, now I will take the topic of the paper Indian literature in English translation. Indian literature, that literature have to be circulated across the world through some dominant persons, authors. For example, Rabindranath Tagore. He wrote a topic by name Chandalika. Likewise, the silence, the court is in session by Vijay Tendulkar. Likewise, and you should take care of your health. We could not say that how long this problem will continue. After that, we will have to concentrate here on online classes. Now we have the topic as follows. First of all, you have 5 units here in this paper, that is Indian literature in English translation. So here we have already I told you that 5 units you have. Among that, first theoretical background. This theoretical background, we have some short notions which we can say it is the most important one is Renaissance. Renaissance and realism, satire. Satire, I hope you studied that in your first year also. And Orientalism, modern Indian drama. This all comes under the theoretical background that comes under the first unit. And come to the second unit, this we have the greatest revolutionary author by name Srirangam Srinivas. Actually, he was born in Vizag and shifted to Madras. Again, he started his writings there itself in the Madras. Even he worked for cinema field also. That and all we will discuss later in class in detail. So his prescribed topics for us is to poesy. To poesy means poetry, many poems, rhapsody, and the march of history. The march of history is full of complete revolution, that is the total encouragement towards the students and also to the youth to come out from the slavery. That is the main concept of this one, and also forward march. Then you have the topic of the topic called as the Chandalika. It was written by a great famous author of our Indian author by name Rabindranath Tagore. I hope you all know about the Rabindranath Tagore, and he is the greatest painter, author, musician, and also he only wrote our national anthem by name Jana Gana Mana. In this topic, he wanted to say about a poor and low caste girl, and the 3 characters are here. One is that particular girl and her mother, then ultimately one monk. Unexpectedly one day the monk came to her and asked some water to drink, but she refused to give him because of her lower caste. And the details and other the suspense things we will discuss in detail in the later. And the next one is called Vijay Tendulkar's Silence. The court is in session. Here, a well-educated lady By profession, she was the teacher. She was cheated by many male-dominated persons, including some professors, and judges also betrayed her, and ultimately what happened we'll see in the last class, in the next class. Next, the last one is the fifth unit. It was written by Samskara, written by the greatest author by name U.R. Anantamurthy. He belongs to Karnataka. In this Samskara, I hope you know that and all the definition or meaning of the Samskara. Samskara is a discipline. And also Dahana Samskarams in Telugu also we are saying. That and all how the olden people in the olden days, how they are implementing that. If anybody dies, they have to do all karma kanda or dahana kriyalu. That and all will be studied in the last chapter by name Samskara. Okay, this all we completed our syllabus topics of the syllabus. Afterwards, we will go for the next topic tomorrow onwards in detail. This is only the introduction class to you. So I will send you the syllabus paper also to your group, and go through that. You try to attend hereafter in this semester. You don't neglect and try to attend and try to get maximum marks, and try to keep in touch with all the faculty members so that you may be come up, and also you will be well versed with your all subject papers. You try to understand, and all the best. We'll meet you again and again. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.